Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we're going to be doing an intermediate solo jive routine. We are going to break it up into two separate sections. We're going to first do it with the counts and then do it with the music all at the end. Alrighty guys, we're gonna start with the first part. So we start with our feet together. We're gonna do chicken walks. We're gonna start with our right foot. We do point, together, and then we walk 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. From here, we're gonna do mooch with the kick ball change. So we do kick, ball, change, kick, 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 ball, change, and triple step. And the same thing to the other side. Kick, ball, change, kick, kick, and we'll stop there. Alrighty guys, now with the counts. We have and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, now the second part. So we just finished our kick and kick. So from here we have, again, kick, ball, change, and triple step. From here we have a sailor shuffle, cross together, side. We have a simple spin. We do step, turn, step, 2 more sailor shuffles, cross together, side, cross together, side. From here, we have kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. From here, we're gonna do a hip bump, step, bump, triple step, another sailor shuffle, cross together, side, and then we do a delayed chassé, so we hold together, side. Alrighty guys, now our second part with the counts. So we do the kick, ball, change. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, now all the parts together with the counts, and then after we'll do it with music. We have 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye. By the way, if you would like to support our channel, be sure to check out our official 375 merch. You can find it either linked below or on Teespring.